What you've been through again matters a lot when you become a parent. You may either react the same way that your parents did, or else you might just tend to be more open towards it, and you'll be more of a chill parent.
How does it have an impact on a child's brain when he's going through sexual abuse?
It kind of hinders with their development. So what it does is it is affecting their psychological development and cognitive development, and overall all of these things, including it hinders with their functioning.
Is it okay to just apologize to your children?
So telling your child that okay, I acknowledge what I did was wrong and it was not the best way for me to react.
जैसे कोई एक पेरेंट है उसके उसका जो खुद का जो बचपन है, इट हैज़ बीन वेरी रफ, कुछ इमोशनल ट्रॉमास अटैच्ड हैं उनके साथ में भी, उनसे कुछ फ़र्क पड़ता है उनके पेरेंटिंग स्टाइल में?
So again, all these things, when you have seen something as your child in your childhood, emotional unavailability कि parents ध्यान ही नहीं देते थे उन पे, बचपन में थे ही नहीं. So these things kind of stick with you unconsciously. It will not be there constantly in their mind. In their daily interactions with their child, it comes out in their behaviors.
Are there any long-term effects on a child who's going through a high-stress environment or a emotionally unavailable phase?
So what happens, is that the child is again stuck in a phase where their nervous system is always in a state of fear or threat.
During our teenage years, one of my friend was there and his parents contacted us after a period of time, और उनको ये लग रहा था कि उनके बच्चे के साथ कुछ ऐसा चल रहा है कि उनका कम्युनिकेशन जो है ना वो बहुत ज़्यादा वीक हो गया था. इतनी जल्दी से इतना ज़्यादा एकदम से गैप कैसे आ सकता है? हाउ डज दैट हैपन?
So the answer to your question again, like you mentioned about teen years, right? Those are the most important years for a child. So they are going through physical, emotional and cognitive changes.
Are there any phrases which we can as a parent talk to our kids?
If this conversation moved you, subscribe to The Logic Stick on YouTube and follow us on Instagram for more real and healing conversations.